Hello kiddies, today we're catching a train from Glasgow in Scotland all the way up to Mallaig. It was a glorious day when we left Glasgow. Now this train is called the West Highland line. It is one of the most scenic trains and it takes about 6 hours to get from Glasgow to Mallaig. I hope you enjoy. A lot of people just catch it from Fort William to Mallaig because that's the scenic bit. Right, so we're at this little town in the middle of nowhere, waiting for the other train to come. But it's just so beautiful out here. The sun is shining, but I wanted to show you this quaint little train station. Isn't that the cutest little hut? It's just a gorgeous little place. So I'll give you some music on and off so that you can listen and enjoy the sights. So we finally made it into Mallaig, and this is how far I have to walk from the train station to the hotel I'm staying at. Okay, here's my very tiny room in Mallaig. It was £50. They wanted you to pay in cash, so they're not a lot. And then they got a shared bathroom down the hallway, which I'll show you, which was quite clean. And the kitchen was amazingly stocked. I'm going to get lost in the hallways here. Also, make sure there's no one in here. So this is the bathroom. It's got a couple of showers and a couple of toilets. And the train station, I'll show you how far away it is. That is the train station over there. So we're not far from the train station. So, yep, it's a great little place. Yeah, 50 quid for 2 people, it would have been even better. So the next day, the weather wasn't so good when we went back. So the scenery's not as long, but I'm sure you've got a general idea. But we do get to go over the famous, what they call Harry Potter Bridge on the way back. So that's about to come up. Enjoy! think it cost me £100 return on the train and £50 for the accommodation. Well worth for a couple of days away in great scenery.